Afternoon. Welcome. This is Brooke Akins, and on behalf of Q1 Productions, I want to welcome you to today's webinar and thank you for joining us. Today we're going to be focusing on ensuring compliant medical device promotion through aligning practices with FDA expectations. We're very lucky to have Ms. Julie Tibbetts, who's a partner at Alston Bird, with us today, and she's going to be speaking to the current promotional recommendations and regulations and FDA guidance, as well as looking at FDA development priorities. She'll provide analysis and takeaways from recent enforcement activities. And finally, we're going to have some interactive polling at the end of the presentation for all of the attendees to participate in, so please be ready for that. But at this time, it's truly my honor to hand it over to our presenter, Julie Tibbetts. Julie, good afternoon and welcome to you. The floor is yours.
Thanks so much, Brooke, and thanks everybody for being available and joining the webinar today. As Brooke said, we'll begin by talking about some of the regulatory compliance basics around device promotion, and then we'll cover FDA's guidance development, as well as some guides that have come out from FTC that are relevant. And we'll talk about not only recently issued ones, but some of the future priorities that FDA has announced in this space. And we'll close the presentation with a few recent enforcement actions, not only from FDA, but also from the Federal Trade Commission, and then move on to the interactive case studies where Brooke will be polling all of the attendees which responses they think are best suited for some of the scenarios. And then we'll talk about some of the answers there. And hopefully we're going to have time for questions at the end.
On behalf of Q1 Productions, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you'd like to see the full webinar presentation, please follow this link to add it to your cart. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact us at webinars@q1productions.com. Thank you.